Hey guys, James Little here. In this video I'm going to be talking about the importance of having a product discovery workshop. So when you're first getting started on a project, it's very tempting to want to throw in all the different features that you have in your mind floating around. This product discovery workshop is really where it comes down to getting those ideas out on paper. You bring in all of your project stakeholders, so designers, developers, product managers, project managers, and any other stakeholders that are involved with the product. From there, you go through and everyone can share their ideas about the different features, and that's the first stage. So getting everything out on paper, get the ideas down, and then move to the second stage. Second stage is the Moscow prioritization. So we use this at Simplex software, where we basically go through and based on the perspective of the features being there to either drive growth with users, drive revenue, or increase user satisfaction, then that's how we're going to be working out what is the best options for the Moscow prioritization. So what is the Moscow prioritization? It is what are the must-haves, the should-haves, the could-haves, and the won't-haves. It is really just filtering all of those different tasks or different features that you've gone through and gone around the circle for understanding and identifying, to just put it into a category. If you can categorize those different features based on those priorities, then your app, when you're first building it, is going to be building the most valuable features first, and what's going to most likely, from your theory, be validated first. Instead of the opposite is, let's say if you went with the lower priority task first or tried to build everything, you're going to have a lot more bloat in the code in terms of unneeded features. The validation is most likely not going to be as quickly because you aren't getting that data straight away to know that these features are really what you're looking for, and the timeline as well is going to blow out. So next time you're looking to start a project, definitely try out the product discovery workshop and include the Moscow prioritization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.